tide is coming in right now. And here's the walkway. And then there's the busy highway. But you know, this walkway is lovely. It goes right into town. And what we're going to do is go along this walkway for a while. Now here's a lot of restaurants along here. And what I like about them is that here you can see some restaurant tables right here by the waterside for lunch or for dinner at nighttime. But further down, there are restaurants directly on the beach. I'm impressed with this part of the walkway. It's very clean, very well maintained. And at night I've walked here by myself and it's well lit. But in some areas there's not quite enough light, so always bring a flashlight, as I've said. Oh, this is a lovely view, and you can see a restaurant with multicolored flags, lots of them. So it's a nice beach bar restaurant, and from then on you'll see a lot of restaurants right along the beach there. And I see one person swimming in the water. I haven't had a chance to try the beach here yet, but I'm going to head up to the snorkeling area. That's my focus for today. It's about a 30-minute walk, I've been told. And I'm going to stick to the path because it's easier to walk along the pathway here than along the sand. It'll be faster. And plus it'll give you an idea of what to see. And all along this stretch are private hotels, private apartments to rent. And I've been told there are a lot of Europeans who have purchased houses here or apartments, French, German, Spanish, and now lots of Canadians and Americans are buying land and developing areas. And occasionally you'll hear a motorcycle driver beep at you. These guys have a yellow vest on. I don't see one right now. So it turns out that this place with the flags is the local fish market. And here you can see seaweed washed up. And unfortunately, lots of plastic and garbage. But overall, well maintained. And here the fishermen congregate, and they've got a table here where they're taking out the fish of the day and filleting it. So now you're looking at the main beach in front of the town, Las Terrenas, and that point up there is Popy, and beyond that point are where the kiteboarders go out into the ocean. There's a kiteboard school there. I don't see anybody filleting their fish right now, but this is their workstation. I got here just in time. It is a great catch that they've got. I think it's bassa, but I have to double check. Really amazing colors. So here's a big chunk of tuna, just fresh. Okay, there's some kind of amazing colored sunfish. This is a huge squid. And these are, what did you say, dorado? Dorado. Mahi-mahi. Gracias. Oh, lobster.
Está vivo, fresquecito.
Oh my gosh.
Pero son de ese tamaño, solo una.
No, solo una es de ese tamaño.
Porque
Mira, esta es pequeña. Oye,
Wow.
esta es pequeña.
hay alguna pequeña.
Esas son pequeñas.
It's caro?
Esas son pequeñas.
¿Te traes también?
Viva. Yo te estoy vendiendo cosas vivas. Mira, eso está vivo. Mira.
Ok, ya. Para la langosta está bastante.
This guy has everything. I don't know what that fish is, but I found it, the spiny lobster, about 650 pesos a kilogram. So I'd have to calculate the exchange rate. There's tons of them. It's got some small ones, so I wonder if they're getting ones that shouldn't be caught. There's some more big-eyed fish. This reminds me of the fish market in Zihuatanejo. Busy, fresh fish. So is the local mini market and store and bar. And on the weekends, everybody gathers here and they dance outdoors, having a great time. Mostly a local hangout, that's why I like them. Lots of bachata, merengue music. And across the store, another liquor store, another rum factory, a liquor store. So on the weekends, it's popular. And I'm still looking for a guy with a yellow vest on. Those are the motor taxis. For 100 pesos, they'll take you on a motorcycle downtown. It's kind of freaky because your skin is totally exposed and they don't have any helmets. So now we're getting into the colorful, busy part of town. Tons of motorcycles. No one wears helmets, and these murals are in front of the cemetery. Pretty amazing, very authentic Dominica here. Here's one of many colorful restaurants that will open up at 11, restaurant and hotel. Myself, I would never take a hotel on the main drag. It's way too noisy. Here's a lot of Haitian art for sale from Haiti. And this blue tank at nighttime comes alive. It's a barbecue. And I got street food here for 450 pesos. So I had several slices of pork, chorizo sausage, yuca, which is like a potato, banana, plantain, and then sauce with onions and butter. It was well done. It was a really good dish and it lasted me 2 meals, obviously, because it was very good. Well, this is what I've been looking for, La Bodega. It's a salsa bar and Cuban bar and restaurant. Only 5 minutes where I live. It's gonna be awesome. Tonight, Fridays. And so now we're at the junction where the streets go into one way into town. So coming out of town is on the left there, and then turning right where I'll be going towards Las Terrenas beach. It's all one way, which makes it quite efficient. But you can see all the quads. Everybody wears, this is the quads here. There's a guy in the green vest. These are all moto taxis. The real taxi with cars costs a lot of money. It cost me $10 US to take a taxi from downtown to my hotel at Oasis, only a 5-minute drive. So the best bet to go is one of those motor taxis or those motorcycles. We're continuing now towards downtown, and there's still a path, which is nice. It's narrower, but you can still get around. The traffic jam right here, right now. Very interesting. Okay, a motor taxi is behind me. Gotta catch him. Oh yeah, here he is. They all just weave in and out of the traffic. It's crazy. Look at them all lining up. There's my taxi. What a blast! This looks like a really nice beach restaurant. Look at this, pretty classy. So from the outside it's noisy, and then you go in and look at this. Hola, can I make a video? This is a beautiful restaurant. I am definitely going to check it out. Look at this. I'm going to take your watching too. We've got the Christmas decorations. It's so clean. Look at the interesting decor. I'm definitely going to get a card for this restaurant. Very classy, right on the beach. So here we are. So you'd never know outside the door there's a noisy street. Okay, you can see it's already getting calmer, the water. More people swimming. So refreshing. Well, it's so fun to see downtown. Everything is so colorful and so alive. Oh yeah, and right next to the restaurant that I just stopped in is a park and a swimming area. That's where I'm gonna go to walk along the beach. And here's another restaurant, Italian. Oh, this is great. We've got a park right downtown for the kids. Very clean, well maintained. Public washrooms. And I'm now gonna go down to the beach to finish my walk. So there's the Babylon Disco, only 10-minute walk from La Bodega. And Friday nights they have salsa here. There's also a dive center there. And also a beach bar called Etno. And it's Etno, E-T-N-O. And it has dancing on the beach at night. So this is downtown in a building that looks like a ship. And it's interesting, they've got a real estate office here, 24-hour pharmacy. What an amazing difference. Okay, here now I'm on the beachfront in front of the restaurant I just showed you. That's not that one, but EXO is coming up here. And look at that. So here we are behind the restaurants, and here's EXO, the restaurant I just went in to use the washroom and take some video. And it's lovely. It's 10 degrees cooler on the beach, a beautiful breeze, and you'd never know that there's a noisy street just 30 seconds